Today we're in sunny Portsmouth. We're at the production facility for our MuckStopper unit, and we've been watching the MuckStoppers rolling off the production line, and quite amazing to watch that and see one every 90 seconds coming out of the production line. So they're coming out quickly and we're going to be getting them out to site just as fast, hopefully.
Hopefully we're going to be making the whole range here on the new injection moulding machine that we've got here. Yes, it's been good to see it. It's been good to see the actual units being made.
I was quite surprised how big the machine was actually that produces them, the actual bucket of the MuckStopper. It's a massive machine just to produce that, but that's obviously what it takes from a manufacturing point of view. So yeah, it was good to see.
It's a massive machine, quite blown away by how big it was. You obviously don't realise how much goes into the making of something so small.
Well, it's obviously great to support UK manufacturing, so it's something we want to do as a company at Drainfast. We fully endorse things being made in the UK, being made local, so it's great to see that, and obviously providing jobs in the local area as well. It's a real commitment to how confident we are in the success of this product, in that we've made the investment to produce these ourselves right here in the UK.
One of the points of the MuckStopper is that it helps the environment by stopping debris and silt from getting into watercourses, stops it from harming the environment. So it's good that we've got this extra benefit of having the actual MuckStopper themselves made out of recycled material.
The key factor of the MuckStopper is obviously all about sustainability, so we're trying to stop waste materials, construction waste materials going into public waterways. And another environmental benefit that we've got is that we are making this from recycled plastic. So you throw your plastic water bottle in the recycling bin and it comes back as a MuckStopper.